Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. I have another assignment for this coming week for you guys. So we'll go into Google Classroom to see what it is. So this week's assignment, it's actually for all of my levels for ESL 1, ESL 2-3, ESL 3, ESL 4-5. I will open ESL 1. So go to classwork. Make this a little bit bigger. Okay. So this assignment is called Thank You to a Teacher. So watch Miss Aguiar's video, what you're doing now, and open Gmail and write a thank you email to a teacher. So last week was Teacher Appreciation Week. So this week I want you to write a thank you email, and you get to practice writing your email skills. Okay, so right now open the notes. This presentation explains how to write the email. Okay, so thank you to a teacher. So the assignment. This week, you are going to write a thank you email to someone at Keefe. Think about someone who helped you this year and say thank you. You can write to an academic teacher, a shop teacher, a teacher assistant, a guidance counselor, or a coach. Whoops. Okay. So how do I start the email? So you can text or email Miss Aguiar if you need the email address for the person you're writing to. But, so what you do, I'll go back, show you an example. So right here, you click Compose, okay? And you can make this big if you want. So the two, maybe I want to say thank you to, it could be Miss Kellogg. Okay, so I click on Miss Kellogg. Now let's go back. So your your email needs to have a subject. For this assignment, your subject is thank you. So go back. So the subject, thank you. How do I write the email? Start your email with Dear and the person's name. So, Dear Miss Kellogg. So, let's click in the body. So, Dear Miss Kellogg, comma, and enter. So, go down 2 times. The first sentence explains why you are writing the email. So this example is for Miss Austin. Dear Miss Austin, thank you for helping me so much this year. I am so happy that I had you to help in my F block class. Okay, so the first sentence explains why you are writing. Then you write 2 to 4 more sentences explaining to the person why you are so thankful for what they did. You were so patient with the students, and you explained a lot of things in Portuguese when I did not know how to say something. You were always very calm and always made me feel better when I was tired or my daughter was sick. Okay. So Miss Kellogg, she wrote 2 to 4 more sentences explaining a little bit more why she was thankful. So how do I finish the email? Finish the email with a concluding sentence that repeats why you are thanking the person. So, thank you for helping me so much this year. I hope you have a wonderful summer. Sign your email with the word sincerely in your name. So Miss Kellogg wrote, Sincerely, Miss Kellogg. So in my email, so here I write my email, blah, blah, blah. Then I write sincerely, Miss Aguiar. And remember, send a copy of your email to me, Miss Aguiar, so I can give you guys points in iPass. So you need to do BCC and you send it to me. So you go back to your email, click here, and I'll show you. You click here, click on BCC, and you can write my name, Kristen Aguiar. Okay? So I get a copy of that sent to me too. Okay. And write one email for this assignment, but you can write more if there are more people that you want to say thank you to. And write your email in English, okay? And try not to use Google Translate. I want you to practice what you learn or what you learned in my class this year, okay? So if you need help, please come on to my Google Meet video classes on Monday or Wednesday. Okay? Bye guys. Have a good weekend.